So, hello everyone. My name is Raffi Huda Patasik. So, today I will present about fundamental of alternating current or AC electricity and its supporting components. Okay, first, basic principle of AC electricity. AC electricity is generated by electromagnetic induction, induction process of alternating voltage when a coil is placed near a permanent magnet and the magnet or coil rotates. Alternating voltage is induced as a AC voltage polarity change. This voltage periodically change polarity seen from the needle swings right and left on the voltmeter, indicating alternating positive and negative polarities over time. Basic component of an AC generator. First, stator component. A basic AC generator consists of a stator with wire coils and rotor components. The rotor is equipped with two magnetic poles, voltage generation and generation process. When the rotor completes one full rotation, the coil cutting the magnetic flux produce an alternating sinusoidal voltage, AC voltage measurement. This voltage can be measured using a voltmeter, indicating one AC cycle per rotation. And then four pole AC generator. Four pole AC generator. A generator with four magnetic poles produce two complete sinusoidal voltage cycle per full rotation. To generate a 50 Hz frequency, the rotor must rotate at 1500 revolution per minute or RPM, equivalent to 25 rotation per second, ensuring the required electrical frequency output. Basic AC voltage source and measurement. Single phase AC voltage source. A single phase AC voltage source connected to a voltmeter and oscilloscope display a sinusoidal waveform. Characteristic of AC waveforms. This waveform consists of alternating positive and negative half cycles. And then AC frekuensi, frekuensi yang diukur dalam Hertz menunjukkan jumlah siklus per detik, yang merupakan dasar untuk mengkarakterisasi sumber AC. Understanding sinusoidal waves. Sinusoidal wave period. The sinusoidal wave period is divided into 8 equal segments, each 45 degrees. Voltage variation. Voltage varies sinusoidal from 0 degrees until 360 degrees, completing one full cycles. Detailed instantaneous voltage analysis. This division facilitates detailed analysis in instantaneous voltage through one period. Phase angle and analysis. This division allows detailed analysis of phase angle with one period. Formulation of sinusoidal wave from circular motion. Projection of points are rotating circle. By projecting point rotation on a rotating circle divided into 45 degree segment onto the horizontal axis, sinusoidal waves are depicted. Vertical projection as voltage. The vertical projection of these points represents voltage varying over time according to the positions. Geometry origin of the sine wave. Proyeksi ini menggambarkan asal geometris dari gelombang sinus. Frequency and wavelength in AC. Frequency is the number of cycle per second or hertz. Definition of frequency. Wavelength formula. Wavelength meters equal wave speed divided by frequency. And an example for radio signal application. For example, in FM radio signal at 100 megahertz has a wavelength calculated by dividing the speed of light, maybe 300,000 kilometer per second by the frequency, illustrating the fundamental relationship in AC wave propagation. Instantaneous voltage value of AC. First, formula of instantaneous AC voltage. Voltage at any instant is calculated as um times sin, And then whereas UM is peak voltage and the omega T is the angular position. And then definition of UM in the formula. UM is the peak voltage used in calculating the instantaneous voltage of AC. Meaning of omega T. Omega T is the angular position that determines the sign value in the instantaneous voltage formula. And then critical angle use. Sin value at critical angles such as 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, and then 200, 270 degrees are used to determine instantaneous voltage. Important of instantaneous voltage value. Instantaneous voltage during one circle is critical for circuit analysis. This is average value of AC voltage. For example, the first interval, angle 15 degrees, and then sin alpha is 0.26, and that is effective value or RMS of AC voltage. Definition of effective RMS value of AC voltage. The effective root or root mean square value of AC voltage is equivalent to the DC voltage that produce the same heating effect in a resistor. Ratio of RMS voltage to peak voltage for sinusoidal waves. The RMS voltage is approximately 70.7% or 0.707 of the peak voltage. Use of RMS value is in electrical engineering. The RMS value is the standard measure in electrical engineering for evaluating AC power. Table of effective voltage formula for RMS is equal 0.707 times peak voltage, and then effective voltage formula for triangle wave it's 0.577 times peak voltage, and then the effective voltage formula for square wave is peak voltage. Role of passive component in AC circuits. Fundamental role of passive components. Passive components such as resistor, capacitor, and inductors are fundamental in shaping the behavior of AC circuits. Resistor and current flow. Resistance primarily provide resistance which affect current flow without changing phase relationship between voltage and current. Capacitor and phase shift. Capacitor introduce capacitive reactance, causing the current of to lead the voltage, influencing fast shift and filtering characteristic in inductors and current lag. Inductors provide inductive reactance, which cause the current to lag behind the voltage, impacting impedance and energy storage within the circuit. Impact on current and voltage. First, in inductor and current lagging. Inductors causes current to lag voltage, which is affect circuit timing and energy storage. Capacitor and current leading. Capacitors make the current lead voltage, important for phase correction and filtering application. Resistors and phase relationship. Resistor keep current and voltage in phase, simplifying power calculations and signal processing. Example of phase impact in AC circuit. In AC circuit, in inductors of 10 megahertz causes a lag of 30 degrees at 60 hertz frequency, while a 10 microfarad capacitor causes a lead of 45 degrees, demonstrating their impact on circuit behavior. Determining AC signal behavior. Influence of phase behavior. Phase behavior of AC signal is influenced by the interaction of voltage and current in circuit components. Effect of inductors. Inductors cause current to lag voltage, delaying the current's response in the cycle. Effect of capacitor. Capacitors cause current to lead voltage, advancing the current ahead of the voltage cycle. Importance of understanding phase shifts. Understanding these phase shifts is essential for analyzing power flow reactive element in AC circuits. Resistor in AC circuits and phase shift. Resistor in AC circuit. In AC circuit, resistor cause voltage drop that remains in phase with current, phase with shift with capacitor. When a resistor is in series with a capacitor, a phase shift occurs where the voltage leads phase lead the current. Phase shift with inductors. When a resistor is in series with an inductor, a phase shift occurs when the voltage lags, phase lags the current. Importance of phase shift. This is important for power and signal analysis in AC circuit. Behavior of capacitors in AC circuit. Capacitors and alternating current. Capacitors allow alternating current to pass through, but the reactance depends on frequency. Influence of frequency on reactance. A higher frequency, capacitive reactance decreases, allowing more current to flow. Fast reaction shift between current and voltage. Current leads voltage by 90 degrees. Measurement in test circuit. Voltage and current measurement in the test circuit demonstrate these phase relationships between capacitive reactance and frequency. Definition of capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance, or XC, is inversely proportional to frequency, or F. It's divided by XC equal 1 over 2 PFC. Effect of frequency on reactance. As frequency increase, Xc decrease, reducing the resistance to current flow. Capacitor behavior at high frequencies. The graph illustrates this inverse curve, highlighting how capacitors behave increasingly like conductors at high frequencies. Voltage and current vector diagram in capacitors. First, the difference in capacitors. The phasor diagram shows the current leading the voltage by 90 degrees in the capacitor circuit, meaning of current and voltage vectors. The current vectors is drawn ahead of the voltage vector, showing the phase difference important for understanding AC circuit dynamics and reactive power. First summary of basic and AC electricity concepts. Generation of alternating current, or AC. Generating of alternating current, or AC, through electromagnetic induction, producing sinusoidal voltage. AC wave types. Wave types including sinusoidal, square, and sawtooth wave. Definition of waves parameters. Definition of frequency, period, wavelength, and instantaneous voltage. LMS voltage value. Calculating or of LMS, or effective voltage value. Influence of passive components. Impact of passive component on phase reactance. That's from me. Thank you for your attention.